I'm going to take you step by step on setting up an account on USAJobs.gov as fast as I can so you can start applying for government jobs today. First, type in USAJobs.gov in the address bar, or you can Google it. Once you're in the site, click Sign In. Scroll down and click Create an Account. Enter your email address in the blank text box. Try to use a professional email address, something like a Gmail, not a Yahoo or a Hotmail or all these other type of email addresses. If you had something in high school that you're not proud of, do not use that email address. Set up a new account at Google. Something like your first and last name with a few numbers behind it should be fine. After that, then select your preferred language. Click I read and accept the rules of use and then click Submit. Next, check your email and then click the link. Check your email to find the confirmation email and then click the button to confirm. Then you'll be prompted to create a password. After that, you need to select an authentication method or you will not be allowed to proceed. I picked text message and then I entered my phone number. After that, you scroll down and click Create Profile button. Here, you will fill in the following text fields, including your first name, last name, street address, country, postal code, city, state, phone number. Then you input if you are a U.S. citizen. Honestly, if you're not a U.S. citizen, you will not be able to qualify for the vast majority of jobs that are currently out there on USAJobs.gov. I just want to give you the heads up. Next, select a statement regarding the Selective Service Registration. Then answer a statement about your federal employment status. If you served in the military, but you were never a federal government civilian employee, then you would mark no. Next question is about military service. Finally, you will click Create My Profile. The next step is to click Complete My Profile. Here, you will be able to select additional hiring paths. There are about a dozen of these paths, so you will select the ones that are applicable to you and then click Save Hiring Paths. You can also add education and fill out your school's information, demographics, languages, organizations, and references. Then scroll all the way up and click Documents. This is where you will either create a resume and upload it to USAJobs.gov, or you will use the resume builder that's already inside of USAJobs.gov. Now, I personally recommend that you build your own resume because you have more control over it. You can control the style, you can control the format. And if you need help creating that strong resume, then check out the link below. I created a small course that can help you. So on this screen, you will select Build Resume or Upload Resume. If you do not want to bother with uploading a resume right now, you can click Build Resume. You give your resume a name and click Next. Here, you can add work experience for each job position you have had. The next screen is pretty intuitive, and you fill in the blocks based on your experience. You also need to make sure you fill out everything completely to include salary information and average hours per week. The bottom text box is for all of your experiences and achievements. Once you are done, then click Save Work Experience and click Next. You will then be prompted to input your education. Once that is complete, USA Jobs will lead you through completing the rest of your resume. Your resume will then be saved under Documents, and you can make it searchable by clicking the bubble underneath. Then you can click Other to add other documents, such as transcripts, cover letters, and DD-214s. After you are done, then click Home. Click Save Searches. Type in your location and click Search. I'm using Washington, D.C., and you can see here that there are over 2,000 jobs today. Scroll down and make sure all applicable hiring paths are checked. Click Department and Agency and select the departments that you are interested in. Then click Job Series and pick the job series that interests you. If you're new to the government and do not know what to do, then I would suggest starting with the 0300 job series. And as you see here, I'm selecting all of the 0300 jobs. And once we are done with that, we can see now that there are 545 jobs available in the DC area. Next, you can select your GS grade range. I will pick GS9 through GS12. Find a job announcement that interests you and select the title, such as this one from the Department of Energy. You can then click on the blue Apply button. That will prompt you to select the resume and any other documents you would like to use. Then click Save and Continue. Now you are on your way to apply for your first job announcement. Remember that you can save your search. So once you click on all of those filters, say you want to work for the Department of Justice and Department of Agriculture, but not the Department of Defense, So once you click those filters, you're able to save it. And once you save it, you can click when you would like to be reminded of new job announcements. That can be daily, weekly, or monthly. An email will be sent to your email address that will show you all new positions that meet your criteria. This can be kind of helpful if you need a reminder that you should be applying more. Okay, now if you're wondering what is the formula for success on this website, USAJobs.gov, when will you start getting referred? When will you start getting interviews and job offers? If you want to know that formula, then I want you to watch this video next. If you would like to watch more videos like this, please click like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.